here.
Let's go, Avery.
Yeah. I don't know how we get inside though. What, baby? You want to get caught up there? Cause niggas just sit at the bar. Ooh, this is nice.
They said when your people might be full, they contaminated the rivers.
So as they have like
Excuse
the
me,
thing.
everyone. We have a birthday here. It's Robert's birthday. Will you help us sing? Ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Robert. Happy birthday to you. It look like it. Yo, it's colder. It says grab your swag. What the fuck? Yeah, it's litty in here. You got that key? Go. You ain't see what's over here. Yep, turn up all the lights.
You know how we do
Press the lights on.
You know how we do once we get in every place, we gotta check this shit.
Hell yeah, you gotta check this shit. Yeah, TV in here.
Oh, this shit's lit.
Let's check out the bathroom. That's a closet.
Closet?
We got our pool in our own room, nigga. But what the fuck is that? Why it look like that?
Yeah, what the fuck is that? Oh, that's a tarp to go over it? Cause the water look clean.
Oh, we got caller. Figure this out.
Oh, shit. Yo!
Yo, it's lit.
It's definitely lit. What are you talking about, man? We chilling, man. This is Knack City right here.
You're the best. Look at these chandeliers. This is so cute. This is really cute. This is really cute. Why is the flash on? This is really cute. This is really cute. You're a mess. Guys, that sounds bad because I've been getting over this cold that I've had for like, how long, baby? No, I've had it for like a week, going on to 2 weeks, and I can't breathe, so I cut my whole nose up and everything. So if you see this man sitting there that look like a booger, it ain't no booger, okay? It's a cut. I got a cut in my nose. I really do.
Talking about your nose?
Yeah. Just in case somebody sees something, I want nobody say, "Oh, girl, you've been walking around with a booger in your nose for the past couple days." Nah, bro.
Nah, there ain't no booger. She been cleaning
It's
the
a
same
cut. I done scratched up my whole
too much tissue on her
nose.
nose. That's what it is.
I'm gonna do a little outfit of the day because I see people do it all the time. So this sweater, if you look close to it, it says culture, right? I got this from Groove because my mom gave it to him. And I don't know if he ever gonna wear it, but I think it looked good on me. Got on some black pants. And I gotta put my shoes on, but yeah, I'm basic as fuck. Basic look good on me. Hello. Hello. Good morning, good morning. It look like we the only ones still in our place. But it's snowing. Why? Oh no, I feel like a shutter though. Shutter.
But no way that they bridge. Been lost, been lanes. Been busting bills.
I wish they had an omelet station. I hate eggs like this. Let's take a little bit. You don't really like eggs. only the way that I make it. I don't want that. You know I want some home fries though. No, there's a spoon on the other side.
I ain't even recording this. What's that? What's that with the stuff on the biscuits?
That's biscuit and gravy. Yeah, your parfait do look mad good though. You gonna give me half of that bagel?
Yeah, take it.
Good morning, girls. It's a Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. How beautiful you are today, Vina. Guys, we are back from breakfast and exhausted. We're gonna do our next activity soon. It's just a matter of getting up. We really got by this right now.
My stomach feels right now. And that baby boy slapped you.
She really did.
And we got low income too.
Everything's all inclusive. I don't understand why we got to give her tip. She ain't serve us no drink. She served us juice. No alcohol. It was juice.
We ain't asked for no alcohol.
Exactly. So she don't deserve no tip. Asked her to bring out a picture of apple juice because I knew we were going to ask for a lot. We was going to be dehydrated. But they said they don't do pictures, so I guess she got to keep running back and forth to where she had to. It's freezing outside. It's so cold. Oh, we're about to go do some archery shooting, have some fun, come back, take another nap. Ruth, the only person that took a nap, I didn't get to take a nap. So, yeah, that's what we're about to go do. Hopefully we can film inside. As you see, Cove was trying to clean off the car because there's like so much snow on top of the car. So yeah, I'll be tuning in real soon. He's so cute. He's so cute. Doing it without any gloves though, and we have gloves in the house. We literally just bought them too. But of course, when you buy things, you never utilize them the way you need to. That's my baby. That's my baby. That's my baby. Is that my baby? That's my baby. That's my baby. Woo! Let's do it. Oh, they miss us already. They miss you too. But we ain't done yet.
And I know I treat you so good, and I know I eat you so good, and I know it's hard to find a nigga like me, cause I keep it so good, and I ain't into breaking hearts, I swear I was.
About to go hand on.
About to go hit something, catch this belt, about to get rich. Ain't playing out here. Hey, put your gloves on. You sitting up there playing, baby.
You right. You
got the shots?
I bought them. No other glove right now. Hey, yo, glove. No other glove.
I don't even know. Oh, Bonnie and Clyde, it's right here. What are you doing out here? So the scarf will make it look like it's winter time, right? That's how you do that. So the scarf will make it think. It's just winter time.
Help me, babe.
It's just winter time. He cold.
My finger in the wrong hole.
How you put your finger in the wrong hole?
Two of my fingers in the wrong hole.
You playing like Zaire. Playing like my damn son.
He out here gay. A video.
Oh!
So what we out here about to do?
Snowmobile at Poconos Palace.
Alright.
Alright?